Good morning.
Good morning.
And today we're going to see
the 3 Northern Islands.
That's the one. The 3 Northern Islands with Captain Barbie.
Yes.
Captain Barbie on a catamaran.
The catamaran being picked up in about 5 minutes.
Free booze, free food.
Yes, on our last day.
What will we do with a drunken sailor? So what islands do we visit?
Flat Island, Gabriel Island.
Flat Island, Gabriel Island.
You will stay on this boat island. And we travel in front of the big rocks. We call it Gondemia.
Gondemia.
Yeah. We'll travel just in front like it's a big rocks photo or something on the way go and the way back.
Yeah.
So you will enjoy these 2 islands, Flat Island, Gabriel Island.
Yeah.
Very nice for snorkeling, like it's desert, you want to snorkeling, you want to stay on the island inside in a place you don't hear nothing, only the sound of waves, birds, nice birds. There's a bird we call payonke, it's a big one, big white bird.
Oh.
Yeah.
With a big tail. There's a lot here, and it's protected in Mauritius.
So that's our boat over there.
Massa. Oh no, Tamam.
And this is our transport.
Over there.
That bad boy. Over there. Over the paddle.
Having a paddle.
And we're gonna crash. Seen that conga there?
Yeah, I'll stay there.
Enigmatic shot. we've reached the first island.
We keep walking on coral. Is this Gabriel Island?
I don't know. It's an island though. It's quite nice.
It's beautiful.
Apart from the coral and the sand. Cool, look how clear that is. Sand is very soft.
Yeah, I'm like sinking in it.
Oh no, I won't touch.
He's a baby.
Yeah.
He's a baby. Yes, something. What I'm doing?
Is that homemade rum?
This one is from homemade rum. Rum punch, rum and beer.
Yeah, we try some of this. Let's see.
Vanilla and pineapple.
Vanilla and pineapple. Yeah. Oh yeah, you can see the pineapple bits inside.
Okay, so today this has cost us 2,500 rupees each, which is about 40 odd quid. 9 AM disembarkment, get back at 4 PM, 3 islands, food and drink.
Oh, Andy picked us up from the hotel.
But this rum is really nice. In fact, I can drink it straight without having any mixer.
So we have got
Rum and Coke,
AKA
Mauritian coffee,
Mauritian coffee.
chin chin, excuse me. I've had about 3 rum.
3 ones, what?
I feel a bit pissed.
Oh, alright. So put the meat on the plate and then you help yourself out to the fish.
The rest.
I mean the salad and that. Barbecue lemon.
Give him the treat.
Yeah. Lovely bit of munch.
Oh, it's only a fork.
That's all you need.
That's all you need.
All you need is forks.
I haven't even eaten yet and I've just choked.
Toilet is in nature, but you must flush. I was getting chewed by red ants. You can see them. Didn't think nothing of it. I was like, oh, then it got a bit much. And there was like 2 red ants on me leg having a field day.
Look, it's like Hansel and Gretel trying to find their way home but with toilet paper.
Yeah, that's where I went. I'd go somewhere else. Everyone goes to the wilderness to have a bit of a piss.
Let's get back to the boat, shall we? Everyone's fucking into the boat.
And the room. Dun, 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 dun. Clear this water is. Let's disembark.
At the most I've actually got some balance in it.
Goodbye.
You dickhead.
On the second island. It's kind of alright though. Very busy. Bum, 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 bum. Ooh, that's what the bloke said. Don't step on the rocks, dozy sod. And what she do? She steps on the rocks. The water is amazing. I think that's the end of the island.
I think it is.
So now it's rum drinking on the way home. That's well recommended.
Ooh.
You see everyone waiting for their boats back. Just for now.
Can't see it though. That's hilarious.
The journey home.
Thank you.
Come on, you milk.
I'm coming. That'll do me then. So Chris has gone in to go and get a drink and it is so rocky, it's hilarious. It's so rocky! Just nothing else matters. It really doesn't. Seriously, how can you sleep on a boat like that? Like, what the fuck? Mouth wide open and everything.
She's not the last one. Yeah, it's coming one, yeah.
Oh, look,
Come,
look, Stingray. Look. It's there. Look, there.
See it.
What
Ah.
You're right. Yeah, just down here. Just down this one.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, stop it.
Behind it. Well.
Oh, that's good.
Weekend to do the sunset trip.
Today.
Yeah.
Read away. Come on, blood. Come on, blood.